Hi everyone, I have another Ipsy premium unboxing for you. Let's just get into it. I have everything linked below if you want more details, and I'm also posting multiple times a week on my other channel. If you're into horoscopes, tarot, or spirituality, you can find me there. And engage with the video, like, comment, subscribe, telling me that you want more of this content on the channel, and I'll make more for you. I love this. It's for March 2025. So main character energy is the theme for this month. So I'm excited about that. It's very spring-like. So the first thing that I got, I'm super excited about, is this Origins Ginseng Brightening Eye Cream in Cool. I've heard really good things about this, and I need an eye cream. I started using it more recently. So I'm gonna add that right into my collection and use it next, and I'll do a review on it if you guys want. The next is this Drunk Elephant Eau Blois Rosy Drops, Fortify and Blush with Omega Fatty Acids and Sappanwood Bark. I've been really into products for the face that are cream bases, cream blushes, cream contours. I just find they give a really natural, dewy, youthful look. And they're also, I love when there's skincare ingredients in my makeup as well. Super excited about this. Then I have this Element Beauty Lip Scrub with it's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free, and it's vitamin E, jojoba, shea butter, and sugar. Super excited about that. I always love a good lip scrub. And then this I picked, it's already open, so I'll show it to you, I guess. So it's this Odyssey California Clinical Formulations Brighten, vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid encapsulated stable technology. And yeah, so this is the product here. I love vitamin C serums. They go bad quickly though, so I love that it's like an encapsulated formula, and this had a really high price tag, so I chose that. I always love vitamin C. I find it works better for me than retinol or anything else. Let me know underneath if it works well for you guys. Next is this palette, which is so beautiful. It's called Candy Craving 12 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows, 1 Highlight, 1 Blush. So I'm gonna open this because I wanna put it right in my stuff to use, because I'm actually hitting pan on a lot of my eyeshadow palettes. I just find this very spring and beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. So here's the colors. So we have a lot of neutrals, and then we have some purples, and we have blushes and a highlight in there. So these are colors that I would use every day, like the browns for sure. And I do love using purple on my eyes too. So I'm actually really excited about this. I'll use this and let you guys know in a previous video if you want. So this is everything that I got in the box. I would rate this box honestly like a 4.5 out of 5. Like, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. I love a vitamin C serum, and I needed an eyeshadow palette because I was hitting pan on my neutral shadows, and I also love a good shimmer, and there's so much shimmer in this palette as well. So I'm really excited about this. And let me know if you want more of these unboxings on my channel, and I'll try to keep posting more here. But if you want to see me more often, check out my other channel. Thank you so much, guys, and enjoy your spring.